Hello everyone, myself Yash Shinde. I am studying in 8th standard in Hausabai Jepal Magdum Public High School. Today I am going to take the interview of one of the best pathologists of Jaysingpur, Dr. Mrs. Neelam Birnale. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, yes.
Tell me about yourself.
Okay, as you have introduced me, I am a consulting pathologist working in Jaysingpur. I am working here. I am running my own pathology lab, Anushka Diagnostic Center, since last 12 years.
Your education qualification?
I have done my MBBS and DNB pathology and DCP.
What is your reason to become a pathologist?
I wanted to be a doctor. I did not become a pathologist by choice. It came along during the course.
Means when you are...
I wanted to be a doctor. Actually, I wanted to be
From childhood?
Yes, from childhood I wanted to be a doctor.
Who is your idol?
My father was a doctor, and since I was a kid like you, I used to see the patients. My father had a small clinic in our house, and I used to help him. I used to like to when he treated his patients.
Means
So
you have support of your father at that time.
yeah,
How do you treat your patients?
actually I do not treat patient. Being a pathologist, we receive samples. The sample may be blood, urine, sputum, or a tumor which is removed from patient's body, and we diagnose the disease from the samples we get from the patients. So we are a diagnostic branch. We don't treat the patient. We help the clinicians to treat the patient.
Okay. And what is means which difficulty you have faced ever till now and how you have overcome it?
Okay, I will tell you. Once, while diagnosing a case, I had done a mistake. Means that I reported a case as positive for malignancy, but eventually it turned out that the patient did not have any malignancy. So the mistakes happen. We are humans. We are bound to make mistakes. Then the patient, when eventually the workup was done, and we came to know that the patient is not having any malignancy, and the patient came, and that was a very difficult situation for me. But then I took the responsibility for my mistakes. I explained that to the patient.
What are the qualities that the doctor should have?
I think most important qualities the doctor should have is empathy and compassion for your patient. You should feel the pain which the patient is going through, and